Short change is for the case where a cash sale leaves change owed, but the drawer is too light to give it. The flag tracks the owed amount on the order, so you can settle it next time. Tap Charge to open the checkout. Tap a cash bill larger than the order total, or type the cash amount on the numpad. Tap Add Cash Payment to commit the cash entry on the order. Tap Charge to finalize the sale. Tap the amber No Change button to open the flag form for this sale. The change amount is pre-filled with the total change from the sale, but you can adjust it if you handed over some of it and only the remainder is owed. Tap Flag Short Change to record the owed amount on the order. Tap Go to Orders to jump straight to the order board, where flagged orders carry an amber O's badge. The flagged order carries an amber O's badge on the card, so any cashier on shift can spot it. Tap the flagged card to open the order detail and settle the owed change with the customer. The amber banner holds two buttons. Change Given is what the cashier taps when the customer collects the owed change. Void is for correcting a typo on the amount. Tap Void next to Change Given to clear a typo. Type the reason, then tap Void Short Change. Heads up, flagging short change and marking change as given both run under the Edit Orders permission held by all 4 default roles. Voiding a flag, used to correct typos, is owner, admin, and manager only.